All right, well, let's get going. To start with, how did I become a full-time RVer? Basically, back in early 2000s, I moved from California to go back to Ohio, take care of my dad. Um, During that time, he was ill. A lot of things changed. There was assisted living and nursing homes and all that, and basically, we had to give up a bunch of his property and things. I purchased a motorhome back there, and I actually lived in it. This was back in 2004. I lived in it full time while things happened. Long story short, unfortunately, he passed, and I had to move on. I was driving that motorhome back to California. I was going to go back to make life happen again. About halfway across the country, I kind of had an aha moment where I was thinking, I have lived in this thing for over a year. It really wasn't that bad, and actually, I started to enjoy it. And that's how my RVing experience started. The next thing I knew, I was in Montana at an RV park, got a job up there in the RV industry, and that's where the whole world of RVing and me started. In this course, I'm going to be putting downloadable links, different files for you guys to follow, use, whatever, and things that have helped me in the past, like different websites, where to find work, all that kind of stuff. They're going to be in files in each lesson. So just look down below each lesson category, and it should be a file down there for you. Just download it and use it. Alrighty, enough about me. You're here about, hey, let's do some RVing. I want to find out about it. Let's do it. Next video.